Hello, friends. Are you ready for a fun puzzle game today? Let's play and learn colors and counting together. Here is our puzzle board. Wow, look at all the colorful faces. First, let's start counting as we place the pieces. 1 and 2. Now 3. Where is our 4? Let's find 4. Here we go. And 5. 6. Can you find 7? Here you go, 7. 8. Where is 8? Yeah, here 8. 9. Oh, 10. Whoa, 10. Now counting. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Colors: blue, red, blue, orange, brown, orange, green, brown, red, green. We finished the puzzle. You did an amazing job. You learned colors and counted to 10. Give yourself a big clap. Hooray! Bye bye, friends. See you later.